नमस्कार, म ईश्वर नेपाली अनुपम विद्यासदन हायर सेकेन्डरी बोर्डिङ स्कुल लाजिमबाडको भाइस प्रिन्सिपल. Thank you very much, Mr. Sumit Acharya, instructor and great inspirer from Brain Memory Developers Private Limited. I attended the whole program. He was there to give 6 days training program to our students from class 5 to class 10. All the students, they were very happy and they did wonderful after his training. The training taught mainly one thing. I just want to recall the Chinese proverb. Learn how to catch the fish. Don't learn how to eat the fish. Definitely, Mr. Acharya is that person who teaches how to catch the fish. He gave some techniques. So the students, they are going to apply it to catch fish themselves and make delicious food. So I recommend other friends who are involved in this teaching field to test his technique once. Thank you.
Mr. Sumit Acharya's memory classes have turned out to be super success at our school. Almost all students have been benefited, those who participated in the program. And I think that the methods that he applies in his classes and the kind of motivational traits he has are amazing. I wish him all the best.
Well, this BMPD program, which was carried by these two colleagues, it was very fantastic. And I have found, because I have also taken this 3 days package, and it seems to be very beneficial not only for students but for us too.
Before the classes and after the classes, they were very excited. And what I believe is the excitement, if you can generate in the students, that's very important thing. If they're excited, they can learn anything difficult. So I believe that was a very wonderful opportunity for them to learn a few techniques about how one can enhance the memory power. At this early age, if they are provided with these sort of techniques, I think they're going to do some wonderful things in the future. Another thing what I found is they were really interested more than anything else during this time. I found that they're doing the stuff of that. I found a few hostel students and doing the assignments regarding this stuff. So they're really interested. They were really excited, and based on their excitement and interest, I thought it was very wonderful, very beneficial program for them.
Well, it's a privilege to have Memory Power Developer Private Limited giving lessons to our children. There are approximately 69 children in this brain memory classes that we took. And I believe it was quite helpful to all our children how to use their right brain for remembering a lot of things that they come across in the classes, with their friends, at home, and everything. And life is all the time has to be very, very active. And they say that responsibilities all the time has to be taken, but a duty is given. When somebody takes it as a duty, it loses the beauty. And this brain power, then it teaches them how to take the responsibility. And it's always good for the children to remember a lot of things that have learned. It's not only important to know things, unless you turn that information into knowledge, and later that knowledge into wisdom, it doesn't mean anything. And the things that were taught by you, Sumitji, under your instruction,